5 seconds. Start. Referring the above said voluntary statement, comma, it is clear that accused number 8, as per the say of Tawfiq, has made aluminium plate as of golden, and the statement has been given before the investigation officer. Full point. Now I would like to take note of the seizure of document Panchanama, comma, fair in the presence of CW4 and CW5 at SI number 6 to 11, documents referred therein, comma, have been seized from the custody of accused number 8. When accused number 8 was arrested, full point. Of course, comma, the evidentiary value of voluntary statement given before the police is a matter that has to be tested at the time of trial, full point. As of going through voluntary statement of accused number 8 and the documents seized in the custody of the accused number 8, comma, prima facie shows the involvement of accused number 8 in the case in preparing fake golden ornaments in order to have personal gain. Full point. Therefore, comma, it can be gathered that the accused number 8 was also party to the alleged criminal intention to deceive, comma, he aided with other accused persons who have supplied spurious gold to get the loan amount by pledging those copper ornaments coated by some amount of gold by accused numbers 8 and 7. Full point.